मेरा बीवी एक्सपायर हो चुकी है, मेरा बेटी एक्सपायर हो चुकी है, मेरा बेटा मतलब हो रखे हैं।
This man lost his 7-year-old child. He said that a nail pierced his daughter's head.
मेरी बेटी ना वो लोहे का वो था ना उसमें घुस गई और उसके माथे पे पूरा वो हो गया, पूरा लाल पड़ा। छोटी थी जब गोदी में, कल हम पार्टी में घूम के आए थे, आज हम उसको उसमें लेके जा रहे हैं।
This man lost his daughter and his wife, and no, it's not just their story.
May I have your attention, please? 12342 Haga Rajdhani Express, Mughal Sarai.
It's the story of several families that lost their loved ones. Train delay, overcrowding, too many general tickets being sold, confusion or wrong announcement. What led to the tragic stampede at the New Delhi railway station? The question is important. It is important because 18 people, including 5 children, lost their lives in the incident. Dozens others were injured. But before we discuss the reason, here's more that you need to know. Look at this. This is how the platforms at the New Delhi railway station looked on 15th of February, moments before the tragedy unfolded. It was packed with people with hardly any room to move. The stampede lasted for nearly 15 minutes. What followed after was pure chaos, horror and death. Scary videos of overcrowded platforms have surfaced. Now let's talk about what happened. It was Saturday. Many passengers were trying to board trains going towards Prayagraj to attend the Mahakumbh Mela. It was Saturday. Many passengers were trying to board train going towards Prayagraj to attend the Mahakumbh Mela. Now these passengers were waiting on platform number 14 for the Prayagraj Express, which runs from New Delhi, which leaves at around 10 p.m. As the time for the train to Prayagraj neared, more and more passengers started gathering on the platform, adding to the existing rush. Now here's another fact that you need to note. The railway authorities were issuing approximately 1500 general tickets every hour for Prayagraj. Guess what? More rush at the platform. At the same time, 2 other trains, that is Swatantrata Senani Express and Delhi Bhubaneswar Rajdhani Express, were also delayed and they were rescheduled to depart at midnight, due to which the passengers who were bound to board these trains remained on the platform. Now, platform number 14, where the train for Prayagraj was supposed to arrive, and platform number 13, where passengers for the Swatantrata Senani Express were waiting, are adjacent to each other. Due to this heavy crowd, there was hardly any space left to stand on the platform, and crowd on both platforms continued to increase over time. And because so many tickets were sold, at around 9:50 p.m, announcements were made for a special train for Prayagraj that could depart from platform number 16. As a result, some passengers who could not board the Prayagraj Express at platform number 14 tried to rush towards platform number 16 by crossing a foot overbridge. And while all this happened, the escalator and foot overbridge were already filled with people coming towards platform number 14 and 15. This led to the passengers pushing each other, eventually causing a stampede. The incident is horrific to say the least, with so many lives lost. A wave of similar incidents have been taking place recently as special trains are arranged for the Mahakumbh Mela. Earlier this week, some passengers at Bihar's Madhubani railway station broke the glass window of Swatantrata Senani Express, which goes to Delhi via Prayagraj. Why? Because they were unable to board the train. Now, Delhi LG V.K. Saxena said that disaster management personnel had been told to deploy and all hospitals are in readiness to address the related exigencies. The 6-week Kumbh Mela is a big milestone on the Hindu religious calendar, and officials said that around 500 million devotees have already visited the festival since it began in January.